BeautyBluee, and I'm here to remind you to be blessed, be beautiful, and most importantly, be you. Always be yourself. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I install my Elighty Senegalese spring twists. Yes, these are Senegalese spring twists. I may go back in again and add more in the back because my hair is kind of long and really thick. I have a pretty big braid back here, so I'm doing my best to cover it up, but I don't want it to look too bulky in the back. I like to have both packs on hand while I'm doing my hair so I can go back and forth between the 27 and the 30. Thing to fill up is the back. You need to make sure that the back is pretty much filled in. This part you don't want it to be too bulky, and then you want to be sure that you obviously have enough to cover the perimeter. So yeah. So for those who are new to crochet, I'm gonna give you a few tips, and if you already know how to crochet, just enjoy the video. So what I'm doing here is I'm taking my crochet hook and I'm passing it through my braid, making sure that the flippy part is beyond the braid. After that gets passed, I loop the crochet on the hook, and then I pull the faux lock through the loop that is in there. Okay? Now we're going to go ahead and work on our perimeter. It is very important that this hair is moisturized because unlike the other braids, these braids will be wrapped around our crochet twist. So what I like to do is part my hair into a section, and I start off with the braid and then I finish at the bottom with a twist, just because I feel like it's easier once I'm ready to take down my hair. It's easier to unravel a twist than a braid. It's just really personal preference. And you want to ensure that you really moisturize your hair. As you can see, I added some moisturizer and some Jamaican black castor oil to my hair. So now I'm going to show you exactly what I did with my perimeter of my head. Going up on a Tuesday. Okay, so I'm going to start by taking my crochet hook and I'm going to put it past my hair. And then I'm going to take the crochet, I'm going to hook it through. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pull my faux crochet twist through my loop. I'm going to hold it at the base and I'm going to pull it taut. Now I am ready to do the wrapping of my hair. As you can see, my hair is pretty long. It's almost the same length as my crochet, which I appreciate because it's a more natural feel. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take my hair and I'm going to intertwine that with my crochet, and I'm just going to wrap it around, wrap it, and I like to keep it as close to the base as possible so it doesn't affect the shape of my Senegalese twist. And after I finish crocheting, there you go. Very simple, guys. Very simple. So I got this hair from Elighty.com. I will put the information in the link to their site down below. And I am just obsessed with this beautiful hair. I love the way it falls. It looks sort of natural. I love the colors. I love how I blended the two colors in together. And I just think that it looks so pretty. So most days I wear my hair sort of up in a style like this. I may put them to the side. I may do a side part. I got the shipping really fast. Most days when I'm working, I like to go ahead and pull my hair to the back, and I can definitely do that. I can put them in like a low bun, and that's always really pretty, like a low pony. And the beautiful thing about these, so I've had my twist in for about a month, like I've said before. Fluffy enough. They're bulky but not too bulky, you know, like they're bulky but they're still manageable. I love how full they look. I love how they fall. So they're a little bit bigger than the ones that I'm used to seeing online. It gives me the idea of kinky twists that I used to wear back in the day. They're super bouncy, super stretchy. I think with hair like this, the longer you keep it in, the better and better it looks. I remember when I first installed my hair, it was a little bit, I was like, is it a little bit bulky? But after wearing it so long, getting used to my hair, my braids loosening up, everything just sort of flows together and works together really well. So let me just turn around so you can see what the back looks like. And I love how they're like active length, you know, like I feel like if someone didn't know me and they saw me, they're like, oh, is that her? You know, I feel like they're thick, but guess what? They stretch. So you're actually able to do so many styles with these because they're actually really long. If you stretch these things out, let me see. Do you see how low they come down? Which is great. I've never had spring twist before, and honestly I've never had Senegalese twist before, so having these two combined in one style, my heart is just like fluttering. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Go ahead and comment down below and let me know if you guys have any questions about my install or my maintenance or anything about my hair in particular. Be sure to follow me on the gram at BeautyBluee. So I'm going to keep these in for a few more weeks, and then I'm going to go ahead, take them down and wash and deep condition my natural hair. So thank you guys for watching this video, and be sure to smash that subscribe button. My name is BeautyBluee. Always remember to be blessed, be beautiful, love, and most importantly, be you. Always be yourself, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah. Ciao. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with somebody who's interested in getting some spring twists.